Thank you for tuning in to the latest Tropical Atlantic Marine Weather Briefing issued on Sunday, June 15, 2025. And here is an overview of the next 5 days. We are expecting no wind hazards. The winds are going to be less than 34 knots and no tropical cyclone formation is expected. And swells, we are expecting no very large swells. And here is the latest tropical weather outlook, and we are expecting no tropical cyclone formation in the next 7 days. And here is this morning's surface analysis. And here we're analyzing two tropical waves moving across the Atlantic. We have a tropical wave moving through the Caribbean Sea, and we have a high pressure in the north central Atlantic, and we have also have diurnal trough moving across the Bay of Campeche. And here is the wind and wave forecast for Monday, June 16, 2025 at 12C. And high pressure will continue to prevail, and most of the areas, the tropical waves will continue to move westward. And due to this high pressure and the lower pressures across South America, we are experiencing a strong pressure gradient in the Caribbean Sea, and we are expecting fresh to strong winds, particularly in the central and south part of the Caribbean Sea. In the same place with these winds, we are expecting seas to be between 8 to 10 feet. Looking into Tuesday forecast, tropical waves continue to move westward as the tropical waves start moving into the western Caribbean and into the Pacific Ocean. The northwestern part of the Caribbean winds are going to increase to moderate to fresh. And we are going to continue to have this diurnal trough moving across the Bay of Campeche, while the rest of the area continues to be dominated by this high pressure. Looking into Wednesday forecast, winds are continuing in the fresh to strong over the northwestern Caribbean Sea, and they continue as well in the central Caribbean. And seas in this area of these winds are going to be between 8 to 10 feet. Looking into Thursday, this is beyond the 72-hour forecast, so we don't have surface features, but the high pressure is probably going to be located in this area, and the pressure gradient will continue, so we are continuing to expect fresh to strong winds across the central and southern part of the Caribbean Sea, as well as fresh winds over the northwestern part and the Bay of Campeche. Looking into the forecast for Friday, the weather pattern will continue around the same, and we are expecting these fresh to strong winds to continue across the Caribbean Sea, along with seas 8 to 10 feet. And here is a summary for the next 5 days. We are expecting no wind hazards. We're expecting not very large swells. And tropical waves will continue to move westward across the Atlantic and Caribbean Sea, and otherwise, high pressure will prevail across our waters. Thank you for listening, and our next Tropical Atlantic Marine Weather Briefing is going to be issued on Thursday, June 19 by 5 p.m.